Hello, my name is Javier Persgrip. I'm the founder of Basol, the company behind the development of Tapp. Today, we're going to see how easy it is from the Tapp platform to install a multi-conference system like Big Blue Button to be able to create conferences room where we can share video, audio, and PDF documentation using Rackspace. To do this, we'll need to follow the following procedure. We'll set up a firewall profile in the Tapp platform for these specific ports needed by Big Blue Button. They go from 1935 to 1935 to all the machines and 9123 to 9125 to all the machines. Once we create the firewall profile, we'll create a template with the following services: MySQL Server and Big Blue Button. Once the template is created, we'll create a workspace that will contain the firewall profile we created previously, and we'll create a service rack space with 2 gigabytes, and we'll boot up the server. And we'll schedule that this server will automatically boot up from 11:30 to 2:30. So now that we have seen what we're going to do, we'll log into the Tapp platform. So I'm going to log into the Tapp platform using my fake account called Steve. And now here we see the main Tapp page. So I'm going to go into infrastructure. And I'm going to touch firewall. I'm going to later on touch add firewall. And I'm going to call it blue firewall. In the description, I'll put Big Blue Button firewall rules. I'm going to touch add. Now I'm going to select blue firewall, and I'll begin putting the specific ports we mentioned previously. So the first one we're going to put is 1935, 1935 for all the machines. Add, and then 9123 to 9125 to all the machines. I'm going to save. And now that we've created our firewall profile, we need to create the template with the services that we're going to install. So we're going to create another template, and we're going to call it blue template. And we're going to select a 64-bit machine. We select blue template, and we'll select which services we're going to install. So we're going to choose database, MySQL Server, and then we're going to choose other, Big Blue Button. We're going to save. So all the machines that have this template will be automatically installed with Big Blue Button MySQL Server automatically. So now we go to infrastructure servers. We're going to create a workspace. So we're going to call them conference rooms. I'm going to choose the firewall profile we just created before. So we're going to choose blue firewall. So now that we have our conference room workspace, we'll add a server. So we're going to choose conf101 and conf01. We're going to choose the template blue template, and now as you can see we have Amazon and we also have Rackspace. We're going to choose a Rackspace, a 2 gigabyte machine. This is because Big Blue Button is a very memory consuming software. Now we see that the server has been commissioned, and we're going to touch play to boot it up. Now we can see that the server has gone into a bootstrapping process, and this is the process that will install automatically all the software needed. We'll install MySQL and Big Blue Button. If we touch in the log, we can see and follow the process. After a while, an icon will pop out right beneath bootstrapping, which will allow us through the web page to connect through an Ajax SSH console. As you can see, it's totally secure. It's through the HTTPS port, and we can use through a web page. We can execute commands. So I'm going to execute who am I, and then later on I'm going to execute Tapp to see how the process is going. So once the machine is in an operational state, it's taken about 10 minutes to get into this state. We have already the software configured needed to start and using Big Blue Button. So we'll copy the DNS information, and we'll paste in the web page. And then as you can see, Big Blue Button is working perfectly. I'm going to log in as a user, Javier. And from now on, you can see that Big Blue Button has worked. As you can see, it was very easy from the Tapp platform to install a multi-conference system like Big Blue Button. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and please log into Let's Tap In so you can ask for an invitation to a beta program. Thank you.